Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I am Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today we will try to understand why should you savor food with all your five senses. अगर हम खाना खा रहे हैं तो हमको हमारे पूरे 5 सेंसेस को देखते हुए खाना क्यों जरूरी है, आज हम वो जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching Goki, and if you haven't subscribed to my session yet, please go ahead and subscribe. We have Rakesh God over here, Sunita Jain, Neha Tyagi, Medna Kudrapu, Chandrakant Hiremat, Kiran Kumar, you. Namaste. Thank you everyone so much for tuning in. So today's session is going to be super amazing because ये जो टॉपिक है बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है कि हम कभी भी खाना खा रहे हैं तो हम हमारे पांचों सेंसेस को कैसे इन्वॉल्व करें एंड हाउ दीज सेंसेस आर इम्पोर्टेंट when you eat food or when you try to do anything. Okay, so guys, stay tuned, and we have this amazing quiz which is going to come up in a few minutes from now. So quiz खेलते रहे, और आपके अगर कोई भी सवाल है क्विज रिलेटेड, सो यू कैन चेक ऑन द गोकी ऐप, उसके ऊपर आपको सारे डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे. और द बेस्ट थिंग इज यू आर डूइंग अ नोबल कॉज बाय प्लेइंग दिस क्विज. यू प्ले द क्विज and you can donate these points to Uday Foundation, which is going to make face masks for all our frontliners, our cops, medical staff, for our doctors, nurses, government admins, people who are helping us day in and out, because of whom we are sitting safely at home. I would request each and every one of you to participate in the quiz and donate the points. So Shekhar ji, today's topic is why should you savor food with all 5 senses. आपको खाना अपने पांचों सेंसेस को इन्वॉल्व, खाते वक्त आपको अपने पांचों सेंसेस को इन्वॉल्व करना क्यों जरूरी है. ओके, हम क्या करते हैं, हम सिर्फ टेस्ट, टेस्ट का जो हमारा सेंस है टंग, उसी से जो है हमको टेस्ट आता है, वही सेंस से हम खाते हैं. वी हैव टू ट्राई एंड इन्वॉल्व ऑल आर सेंसेस, आर साइट, आर स्मेल, आर हियरिंग एंड आर सीक. तो ये सारे सेंसेस को इन्वॉल्व करके जो है हम समझेंगे कि ये क्यों जरूरी है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक टुडे. डॉक्टर सरबजीत सिंह जी, हाय, नमस्ते. नेहा त्यागी जी, गौरव इज हियर, गुड आफ्टरनून. So I see almost 550 people watching me live. I request to each and every one of you to just take out 5 minutes of your time and play this wonderful quiz. ये quiz से जो है आपका खुद का नॉलेज भी बढ़ेगा. At the same time, you are doing a noble cause. All the best. So the quiz is over and I'm sure we all have participated and scored good points because ये जो है हमने एक बहुत ही अच्छी नीयत से गेम खेला है, तो ये गेम का पॉइंट जरूर अच्छा होगा और आप ये सारे पॉइंट्स डोनेट कर सकते हैं उदय फाउंडेशन को फॉर फेस मास्क. लेट मी नो गाइज व्हाट्स द स्कोर and then we'll start discussing today's topic, which is really interesting. Okay, this is a traditional ancient science that we will be discussing today. So guys, you can also come up with certain pointers and certain suggestions. Would love to hear from you all. Okay, so meanwhile you guys are putting your scores, I will start the topic now. हमारे 5 सेंस कौन से हैं, पहले वोट समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, the first is okay sight. Okay, you can see. Okay, that's your first sense, sight. Okay, taste. Okay, sight with smell. You can smell the food. You can see the food. You can smell the food. So that's the second sense, which is smelling. Okay, third is taste. Okay, you can taste the food. Your tongue वाला जो है that. So taste वाला sense है. उसके बाद है touch. You can touch the food. You can feel the food. And hearing sense. Okay, you can hear the food is getting cooked. Okay, आपको आवाज आ रही है कि कुछ बन रहा है, ग्राइंडर में कुछ पीस रहा है, कुकर की सीटी बज रही है. Okay, so that's the hearing sense. So अभी इस सारे सेंसेस को हम किस तरीके से इन्वॉल्व करें हम अपने खाते समय. Okay, how important it is to involve all our senses while we eat food. We'll try to understand today. नमस्कार जय सिंह जी, प्रणाम. दत्तात्रेय महात्री has gotten 50. आकाश त्यागी 2. शेखर उपाध्याय has gotten 5. जवाहर, you finished the quiz. What's your score? नागेश्वर जी का स्कोर है 0. Okay. Padumati ji 50. My answer for second question was wrong. Oops, no worries. At least you played, you tried, and that's more important. Remember, participation is more important. Okay, if you participate, that shows that you guys are, taking interest. You guys are worried about all our frontliners, and you want to help them out. So that's the best thing, right? You can sit at home and you can donate points and help our frontliners. Good afternoon, Nageshwara ji. Good afternoon. ओके, सो ये 5 सेंसेस जो है जिसकी हम आज बात करेंगे, मैंने बताया सीइंग, साइट, स्मेल, टेस्ट, टच एंड हियरिंग सेंस. ये जो है हमारे 5 सेंस है और ये 5 सेंसेस हमको किस तरीके से काम आते हैं. विद दीज 5 सेंसेस ओके वी गेट इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो ये जो सेंसेस है, सेंसेस का मेन रोल है हमको इन्फॉर्मेशन देना, हमारी नॉलेज बढ़ाना. सो दैट्स द रोल ऑफ all these 5 senses is to give us knowledge. Okay, हमारा knowledge बढ़ाना और ये knowledge से जो है हम हमारी activities कर सकते हैं. जैसे if you see something, you know what to do. That gives you knowledge about something. You read a book. You are watching me. You're listening to me. That's giving you information. That's how you work throughout the day. So imagine you don't have senses. It will be difficult. I mean, it will be impossible for you to do anything. तो सबसे पहले तो हमको ग्रेटिट्यूड बोलना है. आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू टेक आउट दी 15 seconds, ओके, जस्ट टू क्लोज योर आईज एंड से एंड गिव योर ग्रेटिट्यूड टू ऑल योर 5 सेंसेस. ओके, ये सेंसेस के बगैर हम लाइफ में कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. वी कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट आवर सेंसेस. वी कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट ऑल दीज सेंसेस. ओके, एक सेंस की कमी है तो बात अलग है, बट there has to be sense in your system, वरना काम ही नहीं हो सकता हमारी लाइफ में. There's a delicious fragrance of Kerala being cooked in the home right now. Wow, that's amazing. Rakesh Gauri saying I can't understand Hindi. Okay, so मैं English में I'll try to speak in Hindi and English both. Okay, things that you don't understand, Rakesh, I can repeat for you in English. So guys, if you can't understand Hindi English, let me know. I will repeat for you in Hindi. Okay, I hope you all are okay with a bit of Hindi and more of English. Okay, Sanjeev Gupta, hello. Swapnil, namaste, thank you for tuning in. So first of all, what happens is so many times, I would say most of the times, we are so busy, okay, with our lives, and we are so busy in our phones and in our work or in our thought process that we are eating, but we are looking at we are looking somewhere else, and we are thinking that a lot of times people don't even remember what they've eaten for their breakfast or they've eaten for their lunch. Yeah, at least they don't remember what they've eaten yesterday. Kal kya khaya hai, what they've eaten yesterday they won't remember, which is really bad. You should know what you're eating. especially kids. Okay, now mothers are giving food to the kids, and the kids are not even aware what they're eating. They're either looking at the phone, they're either running around, they're playing. It has to be made compulsory, mandatory for the kids to sit along with the other people on the dining table, so that the kid knows what everybody's eating, the kid know what he's eating. So it's extremely important to know what you're putting in your body, how you're nourishing your body. That is very important to know. So you have to look at the food, okay? You have to let the fragrance, यानी खाने को नाक के नजदीक लाके सूंघना नहीं है, but that natural, that light fragrance should make you feel hungry, okay? खाने को देखना है, feel करना है. And how do you feel the food is by eating your food with your hand. I know a lot of us are not comfortable eating food with a hand. We are so used to with the Western style of eating with the spoon. I'm not saying it's wrong, okay? What I'm saying is, ट्रेडिशनली जब हम हाथ से खाना खाते थे, वी कुड फील द फूड, ओके? हम खाने को फील करके खाते थे. एंड यू नो, आप अपनी 5 उंगलियों को इन्वॉल्व करके, ओके, यू आर यूजिंग योर ओन नेचुरल वे टू ईट फूड. That gives you more benefit according to Ayurveda and according to the traditional age-old science, okay? Because you are giving that loving touch to the food, okay? So loving touch के साथ में आप अगर खाना खा रहे हो तो फायदा ज़्यादा है, okay? Because you are, you know, putting in your emotions in the food and cooking it. Also, the person who's cooking the food is the most important person, okay? The person who's cooking the food is unhappy or is sad or is angry, okay? That emotions get transmitted to the food and we are having that food with that emotion, okay? So the person who is, okay, having food, making the food, the person who's cooking the food has to make the food with a lot of love, lot of compassion, lot of happiness, okay? That person has to be really happy, okay? Because you've been given the privilege to feed people, okay? The person who's cooking the food is getting a lot of blessings because, you know, that person is actually helping people, okay? This person is actually feeding people. वो खाना नहीं बनाएगा वो इंसान तो लोगों को खाना नहीं मिलेगा. So you should actually be thankful to the person who's cooking food for you, and that person has to be always happy and in a right, correct state of mind and very positive, okay? If you are participating in that, if you are cooking food, please pray, please have some positive thoughts. Or I would suggest that, you know, in your kitchen, you can keep your phone on and you can listen to some positive om vibrations or any shlokas or any happy mantras while you cook food, and make food with that love and that happiness, something that elevates your mood, something that gives you positivity, okay? That's why they say ना, माँ के हाथ का खाना सबसे best होता है. Why? Because mother, you know, cooks with lot of love, lot of affection, and that gets transmitted in the food. That's how the food becomes so tasty, okay? ऑर्डिनरी खाना भी जो है, एक नॉर्मल दाल भी जो है बहुत ही डिलिशियस बन जाती है अगर माँ के हाथ का उसमें टच मिलता है. So please give that loving touch to the food that you're making and make the food with lot of love. And I would request you all to please give lots and lots of respect to the person who is cooking the food, okay? So you have to respect that person. You know, ancient में traditionally, okay, पुराने ज़माने में जो लोग खाना बनाते थे उनके हाथ चूमते थे. You know, they used to kiss the hand of the person who used to cook food because, you know, because of them you get that food. So you should show your respect, you should show love to everyone who's getting involved in this cooking process, and the state of mind is very, very important, okay? So I have a lot of questions coming up. Mushroom curry can eat. Wow, yes, absolutely. Why not? Everything in moderation is good, and mushroom curry is good, healthy. Please do eat. 5 senses का पता नहीं ना, but when it comes to fitness, positivity, kindness, yes. Thank you, Zulfi. We understand whatever you're saying. Thank you, Shekhar. Thank you. 5 senses. Okay. My 6th sense always asks me to stay inspired by you, and that's the special sense developed by that should be developed by all of us. Thank you so much, Zulfi. Now, since you're talking about 6th sense, I would like to emphasize on this very, very important point, okay? Now, you know, how do we develop 6th sense? A lot of people have very strong 6th sense, and all of us do have, okay? But few people have developed it more. Why? Because they meditate, they have positive attitude, they practice yoga. So yoga, meditation, prayers helps you to develop that third eye भी जिसे कहते हैं, या sixth sense. Okay, it helps you to develop that, gives you that extra special power, because when your mind is balanced, okay, your body is balanced. When your mind is balanced, you can think right. When your mind is balanced, you can take right decisions in life. When your mind is balanced, you can actually predict things. Okay, you can actually understand your intuition better. So that's the logic behind following meditation, mindfulness, yoga, prayers. So that will not only why there's so much of emphasis on meditation, yoga, fitness, prayers, because that is the soul, that is the food for your soul. Okay, you are nourishing your body, आप अपने body के लिए खाना दे रहे हो, but what's the food for your soul? The food for your soul is prayers, meditation, positivity, happiness. That's the food for your soul. So feed your soul with all these things, and you will develop your sixth sense. You will be able to gauge future. You will be, all these people who predict, okay, people who are astrologers, people who are in this occult science, astrology, tarot card reading, people who can predict about future, these people practice a lot of meditation, a lot of yoga techniques, because that helps their mind to stabilize. So this is something I would recommend you all to practice: mindfulness, meditation, yoga, which will help you to get that sixth sense strong, which will help you to trust your intuition. आपका intuition भी जो है strong होगा, and they always say you should always trust your intuition. Your intuition will guide you to the right way. So to develop that power in you, you have to practice all these things, guys. I hope this helps. Dear Rangara, you are right, but the thing is, we have a lot of viewers who come from different parts of the countries. They may not understand Hindi, so for them I'm speaking English and Hindi both. Okay, so we should all support our fellow brothers and sisters and not get offended by any thing. Okay, so just support each and everyone. This is the time to support each and everyone in the group and in everyone around. Vegetable pulav and raita, awesome. Thank you, Madhumati ji, thank you. Since you mentioned children, Hina, you should do a session on what children can teach us in this quarantine. In working days, we tend to spend less time with them. Now we have the time to observe and learn a lot from them. Absolutely, you are so right, Jem. Okay, I'll try to do a session on that also for children. What we can do so that, actually you are right, we can learn so much from children. We should participate in different activities and involve children. Okay, you're making mushroom in your style. That's awesome. Kids don't want to study and don't want to eat, just play and YouTube and TV. Okay, so I would suggest that let them play, let them have fun, let them watch TV, but not too much of it. Anything which is in excess is bad for their body, right? It's bad for their system. So what they can do is make them write at least one page. Okay, so toddlers, they can look into a storybook, they can read one story a day. I'm sure they can. So develop that habit. Okay, it's very, very important. Reading one story a day is very important, and one page of writing is very important. Okay, so I think after they do this, you can teach them a new skill. Like you can teach them a bit of maths in natural way. You can teach them some yoga asana. You can teach them some musical instrument if you know. You can teach them, you can put some YouTube videos and teach them how to sing. So different things, different skills can be developed. Some craft activity, some painting activity, some cooking that they can do. You can teach them how to make tea. You can teach them how to roll chapatis. So all these things will really help them, okay? And this is the best time to teach them. Walking as always, not only sixth sense. Superb. So keep walking, guys. Keep yourself active while watching my session. Thank you, Dada, for that reminder. That's all right, Zulfi. Okay. So we are discussing about how to savor food with five senses. Five senses को involve करके कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए. First of all, like I said, please respect person who's cooking food for you. And since we are at home, we know the person who's cooking food for you is taking so much of effort. Getting the food, cleaning it, cutting it, putting it together, cooking it, serving it, cleaning up everything. It's not easy, guys. and it takes a lot of efforts to cook food. So I would suggest and I would recommend each and every one of you to please actively involve in this whole process of cooking, so that even you know what's happening. So either you can, if you cannot cook well, you can at least help them to buy the food, buy the vegetables, you can clean it, okay, and you can either help them to chop it, you can help them to clear up the kitchen and washing the dishes, and all of that should happen. So participation is very, very important in cooking. Now, sight, how important is it to see your food? Before you put food in your mouth, you should look at the food and say one small prayer of gratitude before you put food in your mouth. There's so many people today who are suffering from hunger. People don't get enough food, people don't get enough water. So every morsel you put in your mouth should be with a lot of gratitude. So gratitude is very, very important. So please show some gratitude, guys, and show some love towards the things that you're getting. You guys are really fortunate. Okay, there are so many people who are not privileged, who are unfortunate, who cannot get food, who cannot get water, who cannot get so many necessary things in life. There's so many people who have traveled for some reason and they've gotten stuck there. There's so many people who are stuck with different problems. You should be happy, you should be thankful that you are safe in your own house, and you are getting food to eat, you're getting good sleep, you have a shelter. So this is something we all need to be thankful for. Okay, so please offer gratitude. Look at the food, say a quick prayer of gratitude, and with the first morsel you put in your mouth, you have to be thankful. In Muslims, okay, I'm telling you this because I, being a Muslim, the first thing we do, okay, the first bite we put in our mouth, we say Bismillah, okay, in the name of God. That's the meaning of Bismillah, okay, in the name of God. So if that, I don't know, what Hindus say and what other people so it's not about religion, it's about just remembering your higher reality, your God, the person whom you pray to before you put that food in your mouth, because of God, because of so much of blessings we get our food. So that is something you should do. Is the first bite of food that you put in your mouth should be, you should remember God, you should offer your thanks, you should offer your gratitude before you put that first bite of food in the mouth. Okay, so that is by seeing the food. This is one thing we have to do. Okay, that's the sense, that's how you involve your seeing sense in the food. Smelling the food. Okay, now what happens is, a lot of times खाना किचन में बन रहा है और स्मेल से ही हमको भूख लगती है. The smell of the food is so important and it gives you that hunger. Okay, so smelling the food is also important, because when you smell the food, okay, when you smell the food, your digestive process starts more efficiently. Yes guys, when you look at the food, your digestive process starts. Okay, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि किसी और का, जैसे कि आप you're sitting in a group of friends and everybody is eating. जैसे ऑफिस में सब अपना डब्बा खोलते हैं और आपने किसी के डब्बे में देखा आपका फेवरेट फूड है, and you look at the food and your mouth starts watering, you want to have that food, or you are on the road and you see your favorite restaurant and you smell that food. Okay, the food that's cooking, especially Chinese restaurants हम पास होते हैं तो इतनी अच्छी smell आती है that you feel like eating. So that sight, that smell excites you. So that is the importance of seeing the food, smelling the food, because by seeing the food you are initiating your digestive process. By smelling the food you are initiating your digestive process. Okay, so that's very, very important. By touching the food, by eating the food with your own hand, you are passing your positive energy to that food. Okay, वो आप अपने प्यार भरी एनर्जी जो है, आपकी जो भी एनर्जी है वो आप खाने में ट्रांसमिट करते हो. That's why it is so important to eat with your own hand. Okay, that's the importance of touching sense. Okay, so we understood seeing sense, we understood smelling sense, and we understood touching sense. They're saying such a right thing, this kind of training is given in the school. So my daughter goes to school where they blindfold them, and then they put the food in front of their nose, and then they have to identify what food is it. They also identify the food by the sound of it. Okay, kaisa sound. So they put different things in different boxes, and then they shake it. Okay, and then they have to tell the teacher what sound, what is there in that dabba, what is there in that box, grain. So they show them what it is. तो सॉल्ट की आवाज अलग आएगी, शुगर की आवाज अलग आएगी, बीन्स की आवाज अलग आएगी. Okay, so that is also one of the most important techniques that they teach in the school. Isn't that interesting? And I'm so happy that schools are teaching all these things which are so important for us. So yes, what you're saying is absolutely right, and yes, they are teaching kids this kind of things by blindfolding. It's a very good thing if they're not teaching in your school. Okay, if the parents are watching me, and if this kind of techniques are not taught in the school, you can do it at home. This is the time, you have the time, you can train your kids, and you can do this activity with them, and I'm sure they will all enjoy it. Okay, so 3-4 smells you can pick up. Okay, खट्टा है, तीखा है, मीठा है, ताजे बने हुए चावल है, दाल है, all those things you can keep. रोज तो खाना बन रहा है easily, that this activity can be done. It's not a big deal. Okay, तो खाने में क्या बना है वो गेस करने के लिए बच्चों को आप ब्लाइंड फोल्ड कर सकते हो, एंड देन यू कैन आस्क द चाइल्ड टू गेस इट. yes, महाभारत में, yes, you are right, this was done in that period, absolutely. Okay, so that's how seeing sense, touching sense, smelling sense, hearing sense, ये सब कुछ हमने बात किया. अब कौन सा, हाँ, हियरिंग. ओके, हियरिंग सेंस. ओके, अब हियरिंग सेंस खाने में कैसे इन्वॉल्व हो सकता है, विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर मम्मी ने हमको फोन पर कहा है कि खाने में आज आपके लिए बटर चिकन बना है, आपके लिए पनीर मक्खन वाला बना है, समथिंग दैट यू लव, गोभी के पराठे बने हैं, आलू के पराठे, समथिंग that you love, and if your mom tells you that, okay, just a word from your mom, or just a word from your wife, or from your friend, or from whomever you talk to, and the person is saying, आज तो हम चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट में खाने जा रहे हैं, और आज तो हम फिश खाने जा रहे हैं, या तो आज तो हम पिज्जा खाने जा रहे हैं, that sound in your ear, your mouth may start watering, and you may want to run to your house to eat that food, or you may want to finish your work and run and go to that restaurant. So that वो सेंस, हियरिंग सेंस से भी जो है आपका माउथ वाटरिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज हाउ ऑल द सेंसेस आर एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू फूड. सो यू शुड, दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से, इज ऑफर ग्रैटिट्यूड, ओके, बिफोर यू ईट फूड, बिकॉज यू आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट यू गेट फूड टू नरिश योर बॉडी. बॉडी आपकी नरिश होती है, बॉडी में Jay saying sense of touch can be taught to children by blindfolding them and drawing letters on their palms with your fingers and asking them to guess. Wow, Jesse, this is also very interesting. I remember I didn't know about this, and as a child I used to do this with my sibling. Okay, what we used to do is we used to draw letters on the leg or on the hand without blindfolding. Okay, you don't have to just look where they are trying to draw it. You have to look up. Okay, blindfold करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. And then guess what letter it is. It's again a very interesting game. So yes, all these games, all these lovely games you can play with your child, and you can develop their sixth sense. Okay, and make your kids do meditation to develop sixth sense. Okay, मेरा बेटा बचपन से ही बाहर से आता है, इमीडिएटली वो बताता है आज क्या बना है, अभी भी वैसा ही है. मैं उसको बोलती हूँ तेरा नाक कुत्ते का है क्या. How sweet, देवयानी, thank you so much for sharing. So this is the importance of smelling sense. His smelling sense is so strong. तो किसी का कोई सेंस जो है बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग होता है, किसी का टेस्ट का सेंस बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है, किसी का स्मेल का सेंस बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है. लाइक माई टेस्ट सेंस इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. ओके, अगर खाने में थोड़ी भी गड़बड़ हुई है, कुछ भी खाने में फर्क है, टेस्ट सही नहीं है, खाना खराब है, ओके, लाइक होता है ना, खराब हो जाता है, दूध खराब हो जाता है, या रोटी खराब हो जाती है कई बार, या सब्जी खराब हो जाती है गर्मी की वजह से. एंड इफ आई टेस्ट इतना ही, जस्ट दिस मच, एंड आई कैन टेल नो दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस हैज gotten spoiled, ये खराब हो चुका है, so we cannot eat this. That is the sense. So some people have some strong sense, so you have to identify which is your strongest sense. Okay, and yes, and more than that I would suggest that sixth sense को develop करें. Okay, अब 5 sense strong होगे तो ही sixth sense develop होगी. यहाँ पर हमारे 5 सेंस ही स्ट्रांग नहीं है, तो 6 सेंस कहाँ से आएगा. तो 5 सेंस को अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करें इन द राइट वे, एंड देन डेवलप योर 6th सेंस. एक्चुअली उसको खाने में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, वो हाईवे ऑन प्लेट का मेंबर है. वो हाईवे ऑन प्लेट, वाओ दिस इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग, दिस इज रियली रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ओके देवयानी जी, आपको अपने बेटे की इस कला का फायदा उठाना चाहिए और उसको इन्वॉल्व कीजिए कुकिंग में। आई एम श्योर ही विल लव टू कुक। वो बहुत ही अच्छा शेफ बन सकता है या यू नो क्रिएटिविटी बता सकता है आपकी कुकिंग में। दिस इज अमेजिंग, सो हैप्पी टू नो। I prepared some oily food recipe like bhaji, rich goat bhaji. That's great. She was tempted. She called me on. She wanted to eat, which I prepared. That's awesome. Sense of reaction can be developed wonderfully by asking them to do namaste and try to hit it. Increase the speed with variations. Do this for 30 minutes. Twice it increases frequency. Develops reaction time nicely. Yes, yes. Wow. Thank you so much, Jay, for the suggestion. So what he is suggesting, guys, हम वो खेलते ना गेम, ये नमस्ते करना है और उनको बोलना है कि हिट करे, तो you have to move your hand and they have to try and hit. That increases their reaction time. Wow, this is nice. This is something which I never thought about it. हम तो ऐसे मजाक में जो है बच्चों के साथ ये गेम खेलते हैं, but this is really interesting. Yes, you can do this. So Jay Singh has this भंडार of ideas. So अगर कोई ideas कम पड़ जाती है तो आप जय सिंह को पूछ सकते हैं. This is so cool, जय सिंह. So that's it for today, guys. मैम वो बनाता है लेकिन आपको आजकल उसको वक्त नहीं मिलता, वो आईटी इंजीनियर है. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सही है, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. उसने आईटी इंजीनियरिंग चूज की है. उसको ये स्किल जो है साइड पे डेवलप करनी चाहिए. जैसे ही उसको छुट्टी मिले, टाइम मिले, तो आप उसको इन्वॉल्व करें. दिन का आधा घंटा या 1 घंटा वो अपने स्किल को दे, तो एट द सेम टाइम दोनों स्किल डेवलप कर सकता है. दिस इज सो इंटरेस्टिंग, दिस इज सो गुड. देवयानी जी, आपको मेरी तरफ से आप मेरी तरफ से उनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कीजिएगा कि वो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, और यू नो यू कैन इन्वॉल्व हिम इन दिस स्किल ऑफ हिज. ओके. So guys, that's all for today. I'm going to go today. I'm going to end this session today and I'm going to see you all tomorrow. कल Saturday है, शनिवार को मिलेंगे हम 2 बजे. ओके. सो कल मिलते हैं 2 बजे. जरूर आइएगा, अपने परिवार के संग, अपने दोस्तों को बताइए हमारे इस ऐप के बारे में, हमारे इस क्विज के बारे में, और चैलेंज, क्वारंटीन होम वर्कआउट चैलेंज भी हो रहा है. वर्कआउट में पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए, बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिल सकते हैं. जैसे मेरा सेशन है वैसे बहुत सारे दूसरे सेशंस हैं. अब दूसरे कोचेस के सबके सेशंस को जाके जरूर से देखिए. एंड वी आर प्राउड टू टाई अप विद फिट इंडिया. फिट इंडिया के साथ टाई अप करके हमें बहुत ही खुशी मिल रही है. हमारे काफी सारे कोचेस जो है फिट इंडिया के अच्छे अच्छे सेशन ले रहे हैं, तो आप उन्हें भी देख सकते हैं. Yes, guys, you guys have a wonderful time ahead. Keep smiling. Take a very, very good care of yourself and be the force. Namaste. Bye. See you all tomorrow.